Next week, Tuesday, is key, guys. The Ethereum ETF, as you probably already know, is going to be listed, and some very interesting insights, I thought anyway. I tweeted about it just earlier, where you can see when the Bitcoin ETF was launched, it was in a very similar range, as you can see here, like Ethereum is now. You can see quite a, let's say, optimistic price prediction. But I think given the timeline that we're going to talk about in this video, it's very realistic indeed. Many people have been asking me, is it too late to buy Ethereum? Has the pump already happened? Well, I'm here to tell you, I don't think so. And I'm going to show you a few reasons as to why. Basically, when the Bitcoin ETF was launched, this is the Bitcoin chart. It was back in January of this year, 2024, January the 10th, I think it was. The Bitcoin price pumped nearly double, 85%. Like I spoke about a couple of videos ago, the almighty $3,350 level is once again holding. It's been retested today. We've seen a bit of a dip, and I believe a good buying opportunity. I actually believe we're going to see somewhat of an inverse head and shoulders pattern form, where we have a shoulder here, a head, and maybe a shoulder form somewhere in this kind of support region, potentially going down to 3,250. That's kind of my invalidation zone. If you bring in the moving averages here on the daily chart, then you can see that the 200-day MA is at $3,150. You have to think of 3,000 as a psychological level as well. I think it's a good support zone, and the area I'm targeting is at the top of this range initially. So the top of the range being, I'll show you, we basically want to grab the resistance at the top, and I'll show you why I've picked that resistance, not just because of this point here, but if you zoom out, if you go into the weekly chart, this resistance point actually gives you a nice level going across from the previous market top, $3,900 to $4,000 level. So I believe we're in this range. I believe we're about the midpoint in this range, and I believe it's a great long from this point. And actually, speaking of trades and going long, there is $500 USDT airdrop. Click the link for Bybit, and you can register to claim this $500 position, which you can use, of course, for Ethereum. Now, Bybit's KYC, if you're, for example, in the UK or the States, I recommend Blowfin. It's a great alternative to Bybit, no KYC exchange, and you can pretty much do everything on Blowfin that you can do on Bybit. And there's a $5,000 link below with my link. Watch these videos. There'll be one, at least one of them is going to have value for you. Thanks for watching. Have the bell turned on so you get the future videos. See you next time. Bye bye.